Spurs win on the basis that Son is back.
Is he?
I'm not sure. So that's why I've been bouncing between a Spurs win and a draw. So I'm gonna go Spurs win because I don't know if Son's back. He might be back, but it's just on the basis. On the basis that he's just not there.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Casuals. Lots to discuss today. We have a lot of football, Premier League, India vs Bangladesh, UFC 307, maybe some NFL also. But we have some very sad news to start with.
Oh my god.
Our producer's assistant, Satyajit Sat's Mind and Place, is at home today because he's really unwell. He has his own issues and we don't know how long he's going to be out for. So
Sad.
a minute silence. I'm going to check right here for our good friend and the assistant.
This is the least we can do.
Yeah. Time starts now. Time.
Oh my god. That was long. That was long.
Why were we praying?
This is, all the YouTube analytics say like do things for attention, do things for attention. This is amazing, dude.
Yeah.
Starting
1
off
minute
the
of silence.
People are going to be so
They're going to start texting Sattu and all. Okay, so Sattu is not here. We had to find some sort of replacement.
onward, upward, and forward.
So we've got this man back. Magic Mix. He just played a chess tournament today. How did it go?
It went quite well, actually.
Yeah? I didn't hear that before the show.
I mean, I kind of told you that.
Where did you finish?
Oh, I think 30th out of like 300 people.
What a
You
liar.
said 6 out of 8?
6 out of 8 was my score. 30 out of 300 is the placement.
Okay, top 10%, we'll take it.
That's not bad. Yeah.
Yeah, we
Congratulations. And
So well
tomorrow, congratulations.
Thank you,
And
thank
tomorrow, you also have a math test.
Yes,
Lamine
unfortunately.
Yamal, prodigies, players like him have math tests right after their big games. This is Mix's moment now. Coming to Sobo's fastest growing sports podcast, and tomorrow he has an important day. So how do you feel about that?
Nervous. Very nervous.
That's about it.
Yeah.
Did you do all your homework? Are you prepared for
Yes,
it?
fairly
Quick.
prepared.
2 plus 3.
5.
Nice. He's prepared.
That's why he could be here now. He's prepared.
Nice.
Why do your friends call you Jiggles? In the last video, they put 100 comments saying Jiggles, Jiggles.
I don't know. I
Jiggles.
think grade 7 I got this nickname for I don't know what reason. I mean,
He's lying to us. He
Honestly,
knows
I was
exactly
like-
why.
I don't really remember exactly why I got this nickname, honestly. So
It was like a year ago. How could you forget?
I don't remember, honestly. I just don't know why.
Okay, bro, don't share with us.
I mean,
We
I don't
we
know
invite
if
you
I
to this
could-
podcast,
We let you in
try
two
to,
bars,
try to,
bro.
try to
I'd
share
be
gut
very open
level
to
with
telling
you.
out, but I just don't know.
So do we need to get one of your friends on to explain?
Does Div know?
Yeah, I think Div would know. Div could
Shiv.
know.
It's fucking. Okay, chalo. He's not telling us why. We'll move on.
And also, are you comfortable with replacing Sattu? How your
Yeah.
feelings on that?
Yeah, I might be messing up Sattu a little bit with the Premier picks.
I mean, he's gone, so it doesn't matter.
We'll be waiting for that.
Gone but not forgotten.
Exactly.
His Premier Picks count as Sattu's points this
Yeah,
week?
of course.
Fuck, I didn't know that. Okay, so just completely fuck. He's top of the leaderboard. So just fuck him over.
Completely, but yeah, I will.
Completely, otherwise you're not coming back.
And speaking to the mic.
Not completely, but quite a bit of controversy. But that's
Cool,
cool.
cool. We'll see.
Can't wait.
This or that this week is Fir
Let's
Hera
go.
Fairy or Hera Fairy. That's Hera Fairy 2 versus
What a
Hera
this or
Fairy
that,
1.
man.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Mix, have you watched those movies? Any
I
thoughts?
have quite long ago. I vaguely remember laughing to the first one a bit more, so I'm just gonna say that one's better.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I'm not a big Bollywood person. I have watched these movies. And I honestly remember Hera Fairy a bit more than I remember Hera Fairy. So I just go for
I don't
free.
trust your take on movies at all. Since
Yeah,
he said
I'm not-
Rush Hour was bad.
Rush
That
Hour
was
was
the
trash. How
dumbest-
could you
how
say
could
Rush
you?
Hour
Okay,
was
I'm not a movie
bad.
person
Finished,
in general.
bro.
Don't judge the take on
What
movies
do
are
you
not
mean
good.
movie person? Like,
But it was just there was only one part of that movie that I really like started laughing, but I can't repeat it.
and the rest of the movie is also great, man. Rush Hour is one of those classics.
And
I
all
fell
three
asleep for the
are
past
good.
for the last 30 minutes.
And also, I'm just very disappointed with both of y'all. Your energy towards Hera Fairy is
Bro,
I
not
it
don't
doesn't
blame
matching.
excite
Mix as
me,
much,
bro.
bro. He's
Yeah, Mix is like
I
a
don't
few
little
years
young.
old.
It doesn't excite me all this shit. Hera Fairy welcome vibes, not my.
He doesn't know,
Golmaal.
he
I'm a
doesn't know what
Golmaal guy.
funny is.
You want to replace him?
We'll get if Sattu
Yeah.
can make it back.
Rolling
wherever he
subs.
is.
Hopefully.
I'm gonna go with Hera Fairy too. Fair Hera Fairy. I just think there's more star power in that movie. And my favorite scene from that movie is with Totla Tiwari.
I was gonna say the exact same thing, bro. You can't have two Totlas and not be the best movie, bro. And all the stories with the drugs and everything. So definitely Fir Hera Fairy
Yeah.
for me as well.
And then Totla Tiwari keeps saying, "Tu mujhe
20 lakh rupiya.
20 लाख रुपया." I just like Parisha was like, "Lat? Lat? मैं तुम्हें लात नहीं मार सकता तू." And he's
Bro,
like,
and then he starts singing, what song is it in fucking, with the Totla accent? Fuck, dude, I can't remember.
मेरा बाप opera singer था.
that one.
I can't remember the song, but I just like jogged my memory, which was my favorite scene. But that is definitely it.
I think it was Kajrare or something he was singing, bro. It was too good. No, he's saying, Gata rahe maza dil. Meg loves the Marathi, bro.
But I feel Hera Fairy for
yeah,
you
yeah,
too.
all day, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on to, you guys want to talk about UCL? Arsenal did well. Mixed, you want to talk about City as well? You go ahead first.
Honestly, not the team I was expecting us to play. I mean, not a lot of rotation. So, but Gundogan getting his first goal back was quite a treat. In terms of Arsenal, I think they played really well against PSG. Saka and Havertz scoring, and I think Arsenal's confidence is now sky high. I wouldn't be surprised if they won the league this year, honestly.
Look at these.
You already accepted defeat.
Actually, man,
I mean,
this
if
is sad.
You go for it. I don't mind.
Saka scoring is a bit an overstatement for that goal.
It was a very well thought out set piece,
Sure.
and
Sure.
they counted on someone making a mistake, and that's what happened. Caused chaos,
amazing
and
job
something good will
by,
come out of it.
Thomas Partey, I'm pretty sure, just covered Donnarumma towards the end, and Donnarumma looked shell-shocked when the ball came towards him.
Is that illegal?
No, not at all.
Oh,
Him playing is illegal.
let's not bring that up.
Okay, fine. Let's not bring Walker up as well.
Party throwing balls at people. Illegal.
you want to talk about the Walker?
No, not today.
Not
Can't.
Mixes in the
Yeah,
room.
mixes in the
Also, a rule for us, since there's a fifth grader
From
in the
now
room.
on, I think we already swore a couple
Yeah,
times.
we can't.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, we can't swear, and every time we swear, we'll put some money into penalty peggy.
How much?
100 rupees
Fine.
per swear.
Done.
And what if Mix was?
He leaves the room.
Mix has to stand, face the other way, and talk in the mic. Punishment. Can't take money off children, bro.
True. Yeah, you can make them do that.
Oh yeah, you're in
Punish
school.
them, na?
Yeah, you're in school. So
Abbas sir has given us permission.
So, Champions League, there are too many games to keep track of. So, I thought the best way to get into the festivities would be to bet some money. I had some good picks last night. I parlayed Barca and someone else. Barca and PSV and Sporting Lisbon. Both scoring goals. And, sorry, I'm confusing it.
BTTS?
BTTS?
Both teams to score.
Yeah, both teams to score with Sporting Lisbon and PSV and Dortmund to win. I parlayed that and made some good money on it. But I
Okay,
think
bro.
that's the only way to be interested in
The early stages.
early stages for now.
We need a red zone for Champions League.
We do.
Bro, they have now Paramount Plus in America.
Okay.
And if you put a VPN on and get an account, you have to do it. But definitely we should pitch this idea to Sony Live.
yeah,
Yeah,
do
if I
a-
watch
And
it.
make a lot
The
of
best
money.
OTT.
Yeah.
the best OTT. But today's Champions League fixtures, it's Wednesday night. Some team called Sturm Graz is playing. Never heard about them. So I just wanted to know a little more about them. There's nothing interesting about them. The only interesting thing is the club's values include down-to-earthness, independence, respect, and human dignity.
You read this on Gandhi Jayanti.
Exactly.
Nice.
How coincidental,
Yeah.
paying respect to the father of a nation. But also a football club should not have these things in their values. A football club should have win, 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 and something passionate and something fiery. So I don't respect this club at all.
Okay, cool.
I'm trying to make Champions League talk a little fun, and this is all I could come up with.
Yeah, just one more thing. Tuesday nights have been amazing in terms of goal scoring. It's been much more high scoring than the Wednesday night last week. And this week was no different. Dortmund winning 7-1 and just a lot of goals coming from every
Barca,
team.
what, 5?
5-0. City 4-0. And I think just 1-2 KG games in Leverkusen Milan was a KG one. Brest destroyed Salzburg 4-0.
He
which
abused.
is-
Turn around.
Leave.
I don't know the French pronunciation, but yeah.
But they should have bets on. Is this possible? Like how many goals per night of all the Champions League fixtures?
On that Paramount Plus show, at least for Europa, they used to pick like, okay, 30 goals tonight. Like the 4 panel people.
Damn.
And then whoever gets the closest. I don't know if they had an official bet.
I'm
or
pretty
anything, but they
sure
used
you
to give
can
out
bet on
picks.
any. Maybe there is. Maybe I'll look into it for tonight's games.
Yeah.
Because I was just trying to do
I don't
BTTS.
think you can.
Both teams to score for all the fixtures tonight because I just want to see goals.
Of course, who doesn't?
Yeah, but let's see. I guess the only interesting Champions League fixture for tonight is Aston Villa Bayern.
Yeah.
But yeah, we can just skip that for now.
Bayern Benfica Atletico, decent game.
Decent.
That's the other only other
But
decent.
boring team, yeah.
I mean, I could see Leipzig Juventus being interesting since Leipzig are at home, but who knows? I feel like Bayern Villa is just the game you need to
Again,
watch.
I just pulled up the table and it just goes on forever. It's like I see this.
36 teams, dude. It's 36
Yeah.
teams just like this.
It looks
It looks
disgusting.
whack.
Just keep track of the top 8. The rest for now are just irrelevant.
So you tell us when to plug in back into the Champions League.
I think by match week 5 out of 8, we should see who's doing well and who's on track to just make top 8.
Got
Cool.
it.
Okay, moving on to FPL. The average was 50 points. And with the help of Magic Mix, we got 26.
Disgusting.
What the hell, man?
Like, why did we even get you or
What the
think
hell?
about involving you in this show?
I'll just do this. We only have 500. So I'm going to have to open
Oh, you're doing it?
the pigs back.
Just for context, Parma alone got 25 points.
You gave context last time.
Yeah.
I'm putting an extra 100
bucks
out
more.
of this.
$100 more
Who? You abused?
for the C
Yeah.
word. Okay, this is an easy tactic, bro. I can just trigger it that easily.
Make open.
I'm struggling.
He moved money. Money mover.
Why are you opening the back? Oh,
To take out the extra
are you sure?
change.
Don't siphon money out of this podcast. You know how much we're making, right? This
Bang.
is too much silence, bro.
Are
Already.
you all talk now?
Yeah, go for that.
Magic Mix, what do you have
Yeah,
to
what
say
is
for yourself?
happening?
Okay, so unfortunately, there are some things I cannot change due to the casuals' decisions. First of all, having 3 Manchester United players, out of which 2 are attackers who just keep blanking every week, so I can't do anything about that. Secondly, they've not mentioned it, I don't know why, but I recommended Watkins to Isak a couple weeks ago, and it's clearly worked. If you just look at our
We
chat.
got Watkins.
Yeah, I know, but that was my recommendation. And it's not my fault that the casuals decided not to captain the guy who was playing Ipswich, but decided to captain the guy who was playing Newcastle.
Okay, hand up. I take responsibility for
That
that.
guy
And
That guy is Haaland, bro.
last time I came back, I suggested the name Brian Mbeumo. But Sammy was so sold on Amadou Onana.
Hey. It's your job to come here and sell us on things, and you sold me more on Onana than Mbeumo. And in the end, I gave you all the power to make the decision, and you said, let's go for Onana.
No, you said
And
you.
it's
you
your
told Tanay-
duty to come here
You told Tanay,
and
let's
give
go
us
for-
advice, not
No.
complain and criticize us.
I didn't want. I have advice ready for y'all now.
So give us the advice.
Give us. Should we
Enough-
use a wild card or something?
The
Enough.
wild card has to be pulled out,
Has to be pulled out?
unfortunately. Yeah, it has to be.
But
So for
keep
the-
in mind, still 3 United and 3 Arsenal.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
for the wild card, let's sit down and live stream it, and we'll do the wild card with you. We'll sit down,
No,
make the
just give
transfers.
that. How, bro?
Why not? Instagram live, or we'll just share a
fine.
screen on
Done,
YouTube
done.
and do it.
Instagram live.
Whenever you're free in the next week or 2, we meet, we live
He
stream
has
the
a
wild
math
card
test, huh?
after your
No, but I
math
think you need to
test.
use your wild card this week, so.
No, we'll wait depending
No,
on
no,
your
but
schedule.
this-
Now this is your fault again, no mix, that you are not free.
But I'm ready to just give my picks right now for you.
No, no.
Actually, save it. Whatever, 2-3 days before Saturday, we have to do the lineup anyway.
Yeah,
We'll invite you to a live. We'll text you before, obviously, and then we'll figure it out.
Okay,
you give
Okay.
us your.
done.
Done?
Done.
Cool.
All set.
And
No. And now, if we get now,
No, I
we are
think this-
giving you all the keys to
Yeah.
make all the changes.
done.
You can't come here again and then blame us again for.
Okay, one thing I'm gonna blame you for is if
Absolutely not. This is the fifth thing you're blaming
Manchester
us for.
United. I'm sorry, but I can't. You're the one who wants to keep 3 United players, and
I am not the one. This is a. You know, if we really wanted to do well with this
this
team,
would be empty.
Exactly.
I'll be 100 rupees for my
And-
swear word. That's
and
all.
There would be no content and it wouldn't be interesting. We are doing this so that
For the people.
for the people.
Okay.
What do you have to say last thing about FPL?
No, y'all just have made bad decisions. And by the way, y'all put Kelleher in this week. I just don't understand why. So
But
y'all
I read some
definitely-
reports.
y'all definitely need my help.
I read some reports saying that Raya's injured, might not play. So I was like, okay, Kelleher looks fit and cheap, so I got him in.
Looks fit.
Why
And,
would Kelleher play? He's a
and
sec-
Allison was injured too. He had the yellow mark on him too, so that's why I made the decision.
Unless the mark goes into like deep yellow or red, you do not remove a goalkeeper.
Deep yellow.
Deep yellow. Okay, so on the live, you can train me for all these color hues.
Sure.
Yeah.
Wait, there's a deep yellow.
There's an
also.
orange,
I thought
orange.
There's a red. There's a orange and there's a green.
No, and there's a yellow, orange, and red.
There's like 50%.
75%.
No wonder I'm so tough hard on this casual league.
Okay.
The
Done.
wild card is your do or die moment, huh?
Done.
Mix. Then after that, we'll have to find a replacement for you also.
Okay.
Divs, maybe?
Div. ABCDEFC still on top. You have to say something to Jeshad after he offended you online.
I offended him and then he offended me. I said up your name game and then he said up your game. Great comeback.
Yeah.
I responded saying that was mean, rude, and unnecessary. To which he had no response. So yeah, booyah.
I think I'll be able to up the game.
Okay. Love the
Yesterday
confidence.
only, and he's like, he didn't even see the comment. He just started laughing.
But yeah, good job, Jeshad. Good job. All this money we are collecting
We
for
just
you.
want to invite to Royal China. yeah.
I don't know about this, but sure.
You're too busy. Okay, Chal, moving on. Premier picks. I'll just read out the leaderboard. Sattu at 16 points. Sammy 14. Zias insane weekend at 12 points, and I'm at 7. Whatever. That's why I said
United is doing shit. Tana is doing shit. Our casual
FPL
fantasy
is
team is doing shit. Panotti number 1.
you said the S word.
Shit is not a bad word.
In America,
bro.
it is.
But where are we, bro?
We're not in America, dude.
Can you say the S word in school
Yes.
in front of your teacher?
Yes.
Okay, then we'll accept it.
Why are you out to get me, bro? It's
I'm not
very
out to
rude,
get you. I
mean,
was
and
out to-
unnecessary.
Bro, help the people.
Help the people, yeah. That's why we started the show, to help the people.
So yeah, Sattu is on top, but he's in his bed, so it doesn't matter. Sleeping.
So Mix's picks this week will be counted towards Sattu's picks.
Mixes picks. It doesn't matter.
He doesn't know.
He'll find out with everyone else.
Yeah, so Sattu doesn't know this. Hopefully, we'll find out if he watches the show or no.
If he's not bothered sending in his picks, then
Exactly.
again, he
I
didn't
sent
send-
it from where, bro?
From where?
From where?
From where? From Saudi sent the text, bro. So imagine that.
And then Sattu made a
He's still,
PPT
he's
Yeah,
still
yeah.
Bajauti, bro.
and he hasn't sent his picks.
Dirty. 0. Auto.
Mix, we're expecting something big from you this week. Southampton
Okay,
looking strong.
let's go. Arsenal vs Southampton. Arsenal vs Southampton. You
Okay,
can go.
so obvious win for the Gunners. I'm not gonna mess up Sattu this badly. Also,
Mix, you have such a good opportunity.
to get some points with us, bro. Can't get FPL
don't
points.
worry, y'all
this
will be.
point,
I
no.
think y'all should be getting quite a few points.
I have
GS is
7
looking
points
here
in
and seeing
total,
some-
bro. I need help.
Make
Don't
it
worry.
interesting for us, man. Don't have so much integrity.
Okay, for this game, I'm definitely saying win for the Gunners, but I think for the rest of the picks, we're about
You're
to see
also
some
a City
controversy.
fan. You should be
Against-
wishing for Arsenal's demise.
Unfortunately, Southampton at home is not where Arsenal's demise is coming. So
Exactly, pick them.
And he's not getting it. I don't think.
I'm not gonna screw Sattu this badly. Also,
Do you want to replace him permanently or no?
I don't mind.
So then,
So then, screw him over.
Then they become my picks if I replace him.
absolutely
No one will
not.
judge you like that. Don't
For
worry.
the entire episode, For the entire, you don't know, but this is going to happen. For the entire episode, we are going to take Sattu's face and stick it on yours.
Yeah. Okay, chal. Yes.
Yeah, Southampton worst team in the Premier League this year. Not going to be a challenge at all. Pretty straightforward pick. Arsenal.
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 Sorry,
What else,
not
bro? I
much to
need
say.
points. man.
Yeah, there's nothing much to
Sorry,
say.
not much to say.
Okay, then Chelsea vs Forest. Ziz, if you want to say some stuff before anyone goes.
Yeah, I mean, again, easy win. Nottingham also not doing too well this year. Cole Palmer with another banger performance for sure. And bet on Nick Jackson to score the first goal of the game.
Ooh. What are the odds on that? You have any idea?
I'm going draw for this one.
Yes, let's go. Bro, if it hits now,
It's
mix,
a
bro. That's
K-
2 points
It's
for
going
him.
to be a KG game. 5-4-1 from Forest.
This is not at
I
all
don't
what I
think Palmer's
expected
getting too
Mix
many
to do.
chances, and he's not scoring 4 goals in 20 minutes for sure.
Bro, I saw his document at the start. It said Chelsea win. You have put so much pressure on him. He changed it to draw.
Say Forest to it now.
Because if it's a draw, we get fucked.
If it
Fucked.
pay the piper.
Pay.
You also said it.
I almost said, okay,
Chal 100. I'm going to put 200. I took it out. I put it back.
Nandy put a little like
we'll
tracker.
put the counter after.
Yeah, counter of how much money.
Here, I'll just put it. One for Sammy, one for Ziz.
Nottingham Forest aren't doing too bad. They are 10th. They're above United.
Dude, minus the
Future
loss
champs.
to Fulham last week. They've not lost the entire Prem and they beat Liverpool.
Bro, you stop justifying, man. You just have to pick the worst picks.
Draw.
Please, yaar. Please.
So I'm just going off. You give your pick, Ziz?
I said Chelsea.
Obviously.
Chelsea. No thrashing, banging, smashing.
Nick Jackson, he said.
Nick Jackson.
Nick Jackson, first goal.
I'm going to go with Nottingham Forest just because they beat Liverpool at Anfield and they kind of stopped their momentum. I think the same thing is going to happen with Chelsea. No other smart reason, purely based on empirical evidence.
I'm going to go for a draw. I need the points. No other smart
Why don't you
reason.
just draw everything? You need the points.
But there are some obvious ones that I can't. No?
I actually think draw is not a bad pick
Yeah.
because if Forest manage to get a goal in and they sit back, it'll be a problem for Chelsea because that's always been a bit of a problem. Attacking when these teams put like 10 in the box has been a problem for Chelsea always.
Last chance to change your pick, Mix.
No, I'm saying draw. And I think Forest's counter-attacking will be bad for Chelsea because their defense ain't that good.
Ain't.
Just ain't that good.
Okay, moving on. City was Fulham. Go off.
I don't know how forward I am looking for this game. I mean, I think City are going to win for sure, but I don't think it's going to be a walkover because Fulham have genuinely looked decent in attack, but City are winning this game for sure.
You've made all good picks, bro.
Dude, you not got to the
What the hell, man? There's 2 games left.
Don't-
3 games, huh?
City, then Palace. Okay,
Villa
whatever.
United.
Go ahead.
Yeah, City, easy win, coming off a good win in the Champions League, not much to say.
Yeah, not much to say. City. I think this game week in general is pretty boring. Nothing.
There's no big game. Maybe the last one is a little bit.
They should
That
make the game week before the international break a little exciting, no? There's not too many games to look forward to.
Yeah. City, they struggled on the weekend, but they did well in the UCL. So I think they should be completely fine against Fulham.
I think, they have the Premier League in the bag. Pep is probably going to abuse them to obliteration.
What
And
Premier League in the bag?
they know how to play in the Premier League, man.
This year they have no Premier League in the bag, bro.
I'm
Chelsea
not
knows how to play better.
This year's future champs.
future champs. Concede 5 goals every game. Future champs.
Okay, Villa United.
Massive news for United. Bruno's red card has been overturned and he will be available.
Massive. Like it makes any difference.
And for that
He's
reason,
not scored a goal in the
We were
last
right
21
last time.
games.
I am
right.
going Manchester United victory.
Thank you.
Because Aston
That was your
Villa,
controversial pick.
Aston Villa have Bayern Munich over the weekend. The only downside I see to United is they have to go to Porto and then go to Villa, so quite a bit of travelling. But otherwise, I see Villa either having a lot of tired legs on the field or having to rotate quite a bit versus United, who have not looked that good, but I think this could be the game they come back in form.
Let's go. I hope so.
But what were your controversial picks going to be?
He thinks United win is a controversial.
Bro, you're insulting me to my face.
It is
bro.
not a controversial pick.
Insulting me to my face.
Go
It's
for
getting
it, Zeus.
hurtful, man.
I'm in a bit of a dilemma because I want to say Villa, or draw, but I want to continue my Rashford. So rationally, I'm actually going to think about it this time.
Oh, he thought about it a lot.
Yes.
But bro, see, same thing. Even I'm in a bit of a dilemma. I don't want Ten Hag to go. So if they lose this game, I think he might go.
Probably will go.
Panic mode on for United.
International break, everything lines up perfect.
Exactly. So I'm going to say United thrashing Villa. United are going to make a comeback. It's going to be a statement victory. And Tanay, panic time for United fans or no?
No, bro. United
you-
is obviously going to win.
are you
We are the
fi-
third best team in the second half of
When
the
are
table.
you going to? When are you?
Top 3 in the bottom half. So
So when are you going to say? When are you going to be ready to say it's time for him to go?
I am ready.
Ten Hag. Oh, you're ready?
I'm ready.
You're ready?
I'm ready.
Just say it from your mouth once.
From my mouth,
From your mouth.
Ten Hag gotta go. It's time to go.
Also, when he was asked this question, he said, sacked, no, we're here to stay together. That's what he said on interview. So I don't think he's getting sacked until the end of the season, that's for sure.
For sure.
Have we heard it here first? If he gets sacked before the end of the season,
You're getting sacked from the show.
yes.
So all your money will also go down the drain. That's fine.
It's as it is going down the drain.
The memes of Ten Hag now are damn funny. It's like every interview he just says, we're just going to stick to the game plan. We're just going to stick to the game plan. Everyone's like, what is the game plan, man? I can't say the word.
Okay. Palace vs Liverpool.
Mix.
Draw.
Controversial.
It's going to be a draw, and I'm going to be upsetting a lot of people, including Div, but...
That was his
But
controversy.
instead of his draw, I would rather him say Palace. Because in case it's a draw, it's straight 2 points, bro. Please understand the math. You have a test tomorrow. You're killing us, man.
I'm not killing you. I mean...
Please.
What I see is just
It's backfired, bro. You know, this is like shooting ourselves in the foot.
Yeah.
What Govinda did over the weekend.
He just gets a perfect weekend, bro. He's just like bags out all the points.
But we need to discuss this. Govinda got up at 4 a.m. this Wednesday or something, and removed his gun, was playing around with it, and shot himself in the foot.
Actually?
Yeah. And was rushed to the hospital.
Bro, what
And
happened
he
to
was
him,
saying,
man?
in the report, he said he was just cleaning his gun. 4 a.m. in the morning. What are you doing with the gun? He was probably off the rocker,
Yeah, for sure.
trying to show his gun off to someone, a real gun. And he's done this shit.
Thank God he didn't shoot someone else, bro.
Yeah. Otherwise,
Okay, mix. Draw.
draw. I think quite an attacking game, but Liverpool just won't have enough final output, so I think 1-1 draw.
Oh, score and all also.
I'm going for Liverpool win.
I'm going for Liverpool win, how much ever Palace troubles them in the past. I don't think anything surprising is going to happen.
Yeah, I'm going to say Liverpool as well. Palace
Start
have
making
not
Tane go
been.
first and then we just go the opposite side.
Sure.
Whatever Tane picks.
But I'm introducing now, then I'll just keep rambling on for like 5
Okay.
minutes. But yeah, Liverpool. I think they're going to do it.
I think, but at some point in the season when it's getting super contentious, we might have to jumble up the
Order.
order.
We see the situation, or depends on who's
Exactly.
chasing who.
Or yeah, exactly. Or we could just do whoever's got the most points in the previous game weeks goes first or something like
Or
that.
we just we all just make our picks from the start and don't change.
But
it
then
somehow.
that's a lot of I don't have so much trust in anyone in this room to
Trust,
stick.
bro. This is Ronak's statements come true, bro. We have to trust each other. Bro.
Y'all are not my friends. That's what I'm saying. Ronak statements or don't
So
work with your friends.
we send out extra Meg.
Oh, we could do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
Right,
make,
yeah, before the show
Yeah,
starts.
before you send a text to
the-
Meg and
yeah.
that's the
and
pick.
make sits here shirtless.
Yeah, of course.
Because then even the audience has to know, right, what's happening, who Meg is.
Yeah.
If he's
He's
like
a chill dude.
Yeah. It's
If
chiller. Chill, see?
Okay, Everton, Newcastle.
probably the
Not
most
much to
exciting
say,
game.
but Everton are going to win this. I think Newcastle's defense has been completely burned out by Manchester City's attack, so I think Everton are going to come all guns blazing to beat Newcastle.
Newcastle win. For sure.
And Newcastle playing home or away?
Away.
Wait.
Ooh.
It doesn't matter.
I think it's going to be a draw.
Cool, I also have draw. So, I think this is the first time I've picked in some sort of favor for Everton. Because what they showed last week, getting the win.
You've bet against them every other
Every week.
Every time
And
he
it's hit
said
every
you.
time besides the last one. No?
Yeah.
Oh, last two
Overall-
times actually.
Overall, I was very much looking forward to this segment, but Mix's predictions have spoilt it for me. I thought he was going to throw Sattu by the wayside, but I think he's kind of helped him.
Yeah, it would be like when, like if you're instead of helping an old lady walk,
Hmm.
you take a stick and push her. That's
Sattu
what we
would
were
do
hoping
Yeah,
for.
and
Sounds like Sattu.
Yeah, that's what we were hoping that Mix would do to Sattu in this dire state that he's in. But okay,
We're not.
we can't trust Mix. That's about it. That's all I have to say.
sure. Spurs and Brighton. Go ahead.
I was between Spurs win and draws, but I'm gonna, thanks to these guys' influence, I'm gonna go for a Spurs win.
Who's these guys? Them.
You picked the favorite. But
Oh,
Yeah.
he genuinely thinks it's a draw.
I'm going to go for a draw. That was my prediction. That's why I wanted you all to.
even I'm going to go for a draw. I haven't even looked at anything for that game.
Even I haven't. Seems like a lot of people are injured.
Pick na someone. Yeah. Pick Brighton.
I'm gonna pick. No, I'm not gonna pick Brighton.
Taking draw.
I'm gonna go for draw.
So you said Spurs win.
Yeah.
If Spurs win.
Okay, I'm going Spurs win. I'm going Spurs win. Change my pick.
Cool. Done. Mix last thing.
What are you
Premier
going for,
pick?
draw?
Yeah, just
Draw,
very
draw.
quickly, Spurs win on the basis that Son is back.
Is he?
I'm not sure. So that's why I've been bouncing between a Spurs win and a draw. So I'm gonna go Spurs win because I don't know if Son's back. He might be back, but it's just on the basis. On the basis that he's just not there.
Love it, Mix.
I'm
I
gonna
love the
go-
confidence in the line.
I'm gonna go. Arsenal win the Premier League if they get Messi this season.
Is he going? Not sure. That's too good, bro. Okay, done with Premier picks. Let's move on to cricket. India was Bangladesh's second test. We spoke about it on day 2 and 3 that how it was rained out and stuff like that, but India only needed 2.5 days to smash Bangladesh.
Mm-hmm.
Not reading out the score, don't worry. India won by 7 wickets. Jaiswal, man of the match, 2 half centuries, and yeah, India set so many records.
How much did
fast
Gill
this
make?
year. I don't know.
And Kohli?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought you were gonna go.
No.
No, not this time.
She's gonna put it now on the screen like that, so we'll save that. But crazy pace India played at in the second, both innings actually, and set records. Fastest 50, fastest 100. All of that stuff. Rohit just comes and hit 2 sixes like it's a 2020. And yeah, this is how you play fucking baseball. Set the effort.
So 300 now?
I
300
put
rupees?
200 already, I'll add another.
And ZS also, right?
Yeah, you guys have to basically do it. I
Okay.
paid for you guys.
But yeah, so we beat them up, man.
Yeah.
The Indian fans beat up their fan. His name I can't remember, but he is a Tiger fan who paints himself like a tiger and roams around everywhere. He followed the team to Kanpur, I think, and the Indian fans beat him up in the stands and sent him back to
Oh my
Bangladesh.
God, that's messed up.
That is messed
That's
up.
hecked.
So there's a lot of controversy. Nobody knows if he actually got beaten up or he's just doing this for attention. Because he did enter India on a medical visa. So he had to prove that he was sick or not feeling too well. So there were just videos of him sitting in a chair and crying. So what I want to say is that we beat them on the pitch as well as
Off
in
it.
the stands. Also, Shanto, the captain of Bangladesh, before the series, he said, "We are coming for you." He warned India after they beat Pakistan 2-0 in the test series. Is he mad?
Definitely.
Are you mad?
Well, Pakistan should be punished for giving all these nations false hope after
Yeah.
just throwing the games and letting them win. In fact, India should punish them by not letting their players play in any of the IPL games. We should also punish them by not going for the Champions Trophy to Pakistan.
Is it going to happen in Pakistan?
I don't know.
No.
Yeah,
no,
probably not.
No way.
Because we had already decided that we
Yeah.
aren't going to go. So
But yeah, India hasn't lost a test series in a very long time now and still number 1 ranked test
yeah.
team.
Also, you brought up baseball. Dude, this is how it's supposed, like, according to the situation, we wanted a result
We got it.
there weren't enough days. So we were like, okay, we're going to go on the offense and get a result out of this game. Not like England just attention seeking.
Yeah, crying with a run out and all.
Exactly. The most attention seeking tactic is baseball that England does to make, with the pretense of making cricket great again. If they want to make a fool of themselves, just start a podcast and then try to make test cricket great again, right?
Yeah, no, that was sick, but from India. Showed their intent. As soon as they got on the pitch to bat, they were just guns blazing. Love it.
Mm-hmm.
Mix.
Quite a few things to talk about, including Kohli reaching 27,000 international runs
Let's go. Congratulations.
Congrats, Virat.
and Jaddu reaching 300 wickets. I think he's the 11th person now to have 300 wickets and 3,000 runs in test matches.
Also the fastest, right?
Third fastest.
Third fastest.
Third fastest,
Second
I
or third
think.
fastest. But
Um,
congrats, Jaddu, as well.
Congrats.
Really, really good intent from the boys from the get-go. We hammered
Amazing
them.
intent.
Inshallah, boys played well.
Inshallah.
We hammered them. Even someone like KL Rahul just came all guns blazing, played a superb knock of 68.
Why did you backhand insult him, bro? Someone like KL.
No, because in IPL, this guy plays
Yeah,
like
I
he's
agree.
literally playing a test match.
Maybe he should just wear the test whites for IPL too, and he'll get into the form of whacking the ball.
His long hair is helping him, I think.
It is looking pretty good, not gonna lie.
Yeah, Jaiswal's thriving, luckily for us, but I hope he can continue this when we reach the 22nd of November in Australia.
He
That
has
is the
some
big
huge
day.
things planned for that day.
That
Can't
is the
wait.
big day to look out for. But very, very sad news. Shami's got a swollen knee and he's out for the next 6 to 8 weeks. I don't know how set up Pacers are to go play in Australia. Siraj seems good against Bangladesh, so I hope he can keep up the consistency.
No man, Siraj you cannot trust.
That's the problem. He's not ever
Mohammad
shown-
Vivian Rhodes.
Yeah.
He's never.
Put up that graphically.
Yes. He's good in the field. He's good with the bat. I don't know about the ball.
He's never really shown like consistency throughout a series. Bumrah's Bumrah. I mean, he's now number 1 in Test match rankings. as
Bumrah
well.
might be the greatest. Like we were talking about medium fast, fast medium. I think he's the greatest off spin fast medium bowler.
His cutters are amazing.
What are they, man? I was watching some analysis of one of his cutters where he bowled the cutter, it bounces, turns into the batsman, and just before the batsman is going to play it, it swings away from him. So it's spinning and swinging in the air. How are you going to play that at all?
Bumrah's just different. He's elite and he's just.
And he keeps getting better with age, which is awesome.
He's a once in a lifetime bowler you're gonna get. Like all 3 formats, he's dominated.
Mhm.
Akashdeep, anything to say about
Two
it?
sixes.
Akashdeep, I mean, he's literally the Shami when it comes to batting. Just comes out and just slogs. That's his job.
So we don't need Shami.
But he also bowled well, yeah.
He bowled well against Bangladesh. Unfortunately, I don't think Bangladesh.
Bangladesh with too much disdain, bro.
I think
Have some
Bangladesh are a
respect.
test compared to when you're about to go to Australia. We're about.
No, we have New Zealand also in the middle. We are giving
New
ourselves
Zealand,
enough prep.
Sorry, I'm just going to mention this. New Zealand got absolutely hammered by Sri Lanka. New Zealand cannot play in the subcontinent. They're a bunch of jokers.
Yeah, they're literally nice guys.
Kane
bro.
Williamson's clearly turned into some sort of clown. He's not been able
Oh
to
my
perform.
god, I love
How-
Kane, bro.
I
But
love
he
him.
hasn't been. He
But
hasn't
he's
been
just
playing
turned
well.
into some joke now.
But kudos to Sri Lanka. They have been playing really well.
And now there's a joker who's become the captain who goes by the name of Tom Latham, who's not performed at all and is now becoming the captain of the team.
They're
Which
just
is absolutely ridiculous. So I think we're all set for a 3-0 against New Zealand as long as rain doesn't interrupt in the middle of October.
Yeah.
New Zealand bunch of jokers, basically.
Yeah.
Captain's a clown.
Starring Joaquin Phoenix.
But yeah, definitely looking forward to the Australia series and hopefully we can make the WTC final.
It's not even acknowledging the New Zealand series. Are you going to watch it or no? Too funny, the New Zealand series. Too many clowns on the field.
We can do the trial live stream with Mix on that, just shitting
Just
on.
clown,
Yeah, just
joker, clown.
Okay, chalo. Anything else? Any last thoughts? India vs Bangladesh.
No.
Looking forward to the T20s Sunday.
Yes.
Too much test cricket now. I'm waiting for the T20s.
I'd much rather watch test cricket than T20s.
I'm slowly getting more into test cricket, but it'll just take a little bit of time, I think.
If it's international cricket, I love. If it's not the World Cup, anything outside the World Cup, I love test cricket.
Because you can just... Yes, you could say what you're going to say.
And T20 is only when the IPL starts. is when I really get into it.
Like I started liking Test cricket because I can also do stuff
So
and
that's what-
watch,
that's
and
what I
also
realized.
when I realized how difficult it is.
Mm.
That's
Yeah,
how I
yeah,
was like, dude,
the-
this is real.
What I like about Test cricket is you're never out of the game. Like you can always draw the game, even if you're like for 200 runs behind. You can just hold that wicket, and then those last overs when there's like 10 people
Yeah.
around the pitch, it's
And-
fun. That part is fun.
And people celebrate drawing like
yeah,
they've won.
like you've won.
Because they've held on.
Yeah, and it's fucking amazing.
Yeah, for sure.
One quick
200.
question.
200.
Do we consider Mayank Yadav potentially going to Australia?
Let's see how he does now.
I think
At
this
least for
series...
T20 will give us some.
Now you're
idea.
saying
It's
that
different, but yeah.
Shami's got his knee is swollen, then we'll need that third or fourth
6
pacer,
to
right?
8 weeks, I feel like, is the earliest. So,
So-
latest he could be out of the series.
Mix, what are options right now for that third pacer?
Jasprit Siraj locked in.
Siraj
third
is
pacer.
locked in. It's in spite
Siraj
of
Yes,
is locked in.
he's been locked
Unfortunately, Siraj is just...
I like Siraj, bro. I don't,
I
I
love
don't like
very-
his celebration. His su and all that.
He's very inconsistent. That's
Our
the
options are Akashdeep, Mayank Yadav if he's able to perform. I just wished Hardik Pandya played Test match cricket because he would not be a bad
he
pick.
does. Gautam Gambhir is just not going to pick him.
Back will go, bro.
Yeah, and his back will go. Then Mumbai Indians season down the drain.
I hope we're able to comfortably play 2 spinners in Australia because if we have to play 4 pacers, I think it'll be a bit of a mess.
Bumrah's a spinner or a pacer in this equation?
Pacer.
Okay.
Because a lot of the limited overs
Can-
players like Arshdeep Singh
Arshdeep,
aren't
yeah.
like really good at tests, and I don't know if they have the stamina. to
But
keep
even
up.
Mayank Yadav hasn't played a test
He's
for
a
India.
young T20
I know.
player.
Seeing,
Arshdeep has at least debuted for.
just seeing New Zealand getting absolutely thrashed by Sri Lanka, could this be a chance to give some of the pace bowlers a opportunity to play and maybe rest someone like Bumrah?
Agreed. Can try some guys out. What happened,
This
bro?
guy's put Harshit Radha up.
Harshit,
Harshit Radha ain't playing.
he is playing.
Against Australia, that's for sure.
Yeah, he's not going to. I don't know about this. I don't know if it's a.
Harshit Radha.
I don't know if it's a
Sorry.
laughing matter like Mix is cracking up about, but Harshit Rana's a good bowler, bro.
He's playing the T20s.
Yes.
Right
For
now.
going to Australia?
Not for Australia,
Dude,
but
for international cricket until he plays like
Mayank
Bangladesh or
Yadav
Sri
is.
Lanka.
You are considering Mayank Yadav with also so much sincerity. I think he is also a laughable matter
Did
in
you
this
see
conversation.
the way he bowled in IPL? Harshit Rana did not
You
have
how
but
you
IPL is what
Yeah, IPL
compared
is
So
to-
he will
T20,
prove
right?
himself right now in the T20s. But if he's able to control this well with that kind of pace, he would be deadly in Australia.
A lot of ifs and a lot of buts.
Hope so.
Harshit Rana has the same birthday
When
as
is your
Ziyech,
B-Day?
so
May 2nd.
2 days before me.
If
Joint party.
Shami comes back,
Come.
if this
Lonavala?
Okay. Done cricket?
Clown, jokers, anyone else you want to say anything to?
no, New Zealand are gonna get thrashed.
Thrashing.
Thrashed. Okay, UFC 307 this Sunday morning. Main event, Alex Pereira was...
What a boring card, man.
Sunday
Serious.
morning and all. Who's gonna get
What a shit card.
So
Why are you
don't-
even
don't
talking
come.
about it,
meat and all.
man?
You're like, fuck, it's just
Don't come.
irritating me.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. You're talking about the... I'm not going to say. You're talking about the NFL, which no Indian probably watches.
Zeus,
But
you
yeah.
are an
I
Indian
watch.
and you watch.
Yeah.
Okay,
Here we have
bro,
two
like
people
that.
in
Two
this
in this
room
room.
excited for NFL. One for UFC, bro.
Half.
Okay, good night. UFC 307 from Utah, Alex Pereira versus Khalil Roundtree. Pereira, super active fighter, just knocking everyone out left, right, and center. Khalil Roundtree is ranked 8th. I'm not too sure, and people agree that he deserves the title shot. But he is on a 5-5 win streak, and he's looked really good. And yeah, it's going to be it's going to be a great fight because they're both strikers. Khalil has never shot a takedown, and Alex has
Damn.
only shot a takedown, I think, against Izzy. That was once.
And then you got the brown belt.
Yeah, pretty. He got the brown belt of a knockout or something. But yeah, Sammy, any thoughts?
Khalil Roundtree looks scary. And I like the fact that it's going to be a stand-up game. I didn't know he had no takedowns.
Yeah, I don't
That's
think he's
kind of extreme. Yeah, I'm just excited to... I love watching Pereira fight. It's always an entertaining fight. So it's going to be worth waking up for.
Oh,
Waking up for 40 seconds.
Yes.
Going back to sleep.
but including the walkout will take like 2 minutes.
His walkouts are also
fun,
intense.
bro. Yeah. And yeah, he's fun the whole fight week, man. He just goes and
Anything
messes around.
interesting is happening in the build-up to this fight? Any shit-talking or
No,
it's
no,
been
they're
super
both-
Does this speak English only? It's hard to shit talk, man.
even though he doesn't speak English, he's usually involved in something
So-
good.
He's not really a shit talker,
Yes.
the Alex Pereira.
So-
Unless he's, I think if, is Roundtree like a big shit talker?
Not at all, bro. He's
So
a
then
very
it's-
nice.
I think they're both only, maybe
Sweet guy,
Pereira's
yeah.
only shit talker if he's provoked. Like,
So yeah, exactly. So against Izzy, he'll shit talk, and then against who did he fight? Jamal Hill, because Jamal was saying all this stuff,
Yeah.
and that's why he did that
Even after the fight.
meme celebration and all.
Khabi,
Yeah, whatever.
Khabi.
Okay, so Alex Pereira, everyone's pick.
Yeah, I think easy fight, but like three
I
inches
don't
in
think
height
it'll be
also.
that easy, but
I just think the fun part about these fights is anyone can knock anyone out. So one shot from round
Yeah.
three is always that chance is there. So it's always fun to watch these light heavyweight.
yeah, Roundtree has a cool story. He was like massively overweight, and then he found MMA, and then he came to the UFC. Then he lost a few fights, went to Thailand, trained again, and then he became sick at Muay Thai. He's been winning a lot of fights, so
Damn.
much
That-
respect to him as well.
Takedown average per 15 minutes, Khalil Roundtree has 0 and
Yeah.
he has 0.17.
Amazing.
Exactly.
So
That's
it's definitely going to be a fun fight to watch.
That's
way.
a
There's gonna
stat
be a-
I'm going to
Yeah,
look
that-
out for when I don't know anything about the fighters. If they have a,
It's actually a good one. You know whether it's going to be on the mat or it's
exactly.
going to be striking.
So next time when we don't know too much about the fighters, we should just discuss that. And whoever has fewer percentage, I'm just going to go for that.
Takedown accuracy,
Fighter.
100% of Pereira. Get better than him. actually.
Okay, so co-main event is another title fight between Raquel Pennington and Juliana Pena. Juliana obviously beat Amanda Nunes a few years ago, so that was a huge statement.
Obviously.
She did, bro. I'm learning from you.
Obviously. Put 100 rupees.
And Raquel just won the title of a 6-fight winning streak against Mayra Bueno Silva. Pretty straightforward fight. There's one interesting thing about the story is they both started their UFC journey on The Ultimate Fighter, which is about 10 years ago in that season.
At the same time.
And they were roommates
oh.
and on the same team.
And are they still like pally?
No, so
Pally pally.
so basically they thought they would be best friends in that.
Pally
and the
pally.
first pally pally and
Pally pally.
the first
No free ads.
the first week or so, first few days or so, they were like getting along very well. And then they just started shitting on each other. They were like, oh, she gets up early and just blow dries her hair for half an hour and wakes me up. She's too focused on her makeup and I can't, she turns the lights on when I'm sleeping. And then Juliana's like, oh, but Raquel stays up at night and drinks with all the other girls. I don't think she cares about the competition and all. So all that has happened. So this fight, 10 years in the making for the belt, there's something to do with it.
Roomy drama.
She's still upset about the lights being on 10 years later. It's a bit absurd.
Roomy drama runs deep, bro.
Really was.
Have they spoken about all of this in the build-up? The
It was
Roomy drama?
on the countdown episode. So I think the press conference will be...
You took my foundation. I'm sure someone slept with someone's boyfriend and they haven't mentioned.
One is a lesbian and the other one is not. I think. I don't think
Which
Juliana.
one's the lesbian?
Raquel's a lesbian.
Okay, I'll pick
The
Juliana Pena for no reason whatsoever.
I'm gonna pick Juliana Pena
I'm also going to pick Juliana Pena.
for no reason whatsoever.
Okay. Third fight we'll talk about is Jose Aldo versus Mario Bautista. Aldo, obviously a legend. Obviously of the sport.
Of course.
Most successful featherweight champion ever in the UFC WEC era. And yeah, I always love watching him fight. He retired, got into the Hall of Fame, did 2 boxing matches, fought in MMA, and now he's fighting again. And he's already ranked number 10 back in bantamweight.
This is his first fight back in the
Second.
UFC?
Second.
Okay, second fight back.
Yeah, and Mario Bautista is basically a pretty tough guy on the ground. He has a lot of submission victories, and he himself is on a 6-fight win streak. But yeah, I got Aldo, man. All day, Aldo.
Yeah, man, I love Aldo. You have to respect it. Like someone reaching that level of a division and still wanting to come back, still fight. Like 32-8 is a ridiculous record.
And he's
to have.
38 years old,
Yeah.
40 fights.
Who does he owe money to, bro?
40
Yeah,
fights
that's
in-
what someone was
for-
asking me last time, but I don't think he seems like a guy who would house money. I think he just loves the
He
game
seems
too
like a guy
much.
who gets money. bro.
Yeah.
But like to do this after
Love
being
for the
inducted in to
And
the Hall of Fame.
one weight class below what he used to
Oh
fight
my
before.
god. That's
Like,
so he has
yeah.
to lose, he has to cut even more.
So his last few fights in the UFC were
Well, like-
at 135, but before
Okay.
that he was 145 consistently.
Yeah,
But
he
he's
was a
still
featherweight,
killing
like,
himself after retiring.
The
to
whole
make
McGregor
weight.
fight was featherweight.
45.
Yeah.
McGregor, Max, Volk.
Yeah.
But he's still trying to make up for that embarrassment against McGregor. or what?
I'll haunt him for the rest of
Yeah.
his life.
I think he seems pretty secure, man. I don't know.
I don't know, but Sham does whatever he wants.
But what is your take on that? Like going into the UFC Hall of Fame and then coming back to fight
So
again?
Uriah Faber did that also.
Mhm.
Same division. And he won one fight and then he lost. So he got beat up pretty bad in that second fight against Piotr Jan. But I don't know. I'm fine with it.
Your legacy
whatever.
cemented just.
Is that-
I would have called it a long time ago. Bro, if I was in that, if I had enough money, why cut weight? Why do all these things?
Yeah,
Have fun
I can't
boxing matches,
understand.
sure.
Yeah. So I
Still
think
acceptable. but
NBA, NFL do a kind of thing with the Hall of Fame where you have to be like inactive for at least 5 years. So you're
Uncapped.
practically not going to come back. They know you're not going to come back at that point.
Yeah.
Because I agree that if you're in the Hall of Fame, then leave it. Just don't fight again.
Is there an IPL Hall of Fame? Or they're
Let's
waiting for
make
the
one.
day for Thala to retire
He's
to announce it the very
induct-
next
first
day?
inductee.
But should we do that before the IPL season starts or after it's done? Our own Hall of
Aha,
Fame. The
IPL.
casuals
Sure, sure.
IPL
Good
Hall
idea.
of Fame.
Sure, and let's all leave out Dhoni.
We have to, no? He's not retired yet.
Oh yeah, he's not it. Oh, so only from retire.
Of course, yeah.
People
yeah.
who are not-
Like
I
Shane
thought it-
Watson and all those guys.
Oh, so you can't
Okay.
like put your Kohlis and all. Just only retire.
No, no, no.
Just retired.
Once
yeah.
they retire, then next season we'll do Kohli or whatever.
Cool. New inductees every year.
Or you
Yes.
don't want to make an uncapped rule specifically for the Hall of Fame. I'm
Kevin
gonna-
Holland is also fighting.
I'm gonna go for Mario Bautista in this fight.
You're gonna kill our joy, bro, like this. Oh yeah, so this fight, I think it's gonna be really fun. There's a couple of bangers on it. Wonderboy is fighting as the feature prelim. He's always fun to watch. Kayla Harrison, Ketlin Vieira, big things in that 135 division.
Yeah, bro. This
And
the last card in this prelims is Wonderboy versus Joaquin Buckley, which is like a really good,
that's
like
what
it's a
I'm
fun
saying.
fight.
You're almost shitting on me bro, without saying anything, looking at anything.
But we're
Even,
not the prelims. We're not making it for
Prelims.
sure.
It's not your
Prelims.
exam before the
Prelims.
ball.
Even
Prelim.
Kevin Holland is fighting.
Yeah, Kevin
Yeah.
Holland is gonna be.
And Roman Dolidze.
Is Roman Dolidze good?
He's pretty good. He's huge also at 185. Kevin Holland is smaller, 185
And
pounds.
he's Georgians. I love Georgians, bro.
Why?
Because they like to kiss
They
men.
just seem like they're fucking crazy, bro.
Is Tisha Pennington Rocky Pennington's sister?
Yes. It's
Hey,
not
Kayla
sister,
has-
wife.
Wife?
Yeah, she was Tisha Torres.
Dude! They are fighting on the same card. That's awesome.
Who? Sorry?
Her wife, Tisha Pennington, in the early prelims, as you said,
Prelims.
she's fighting Kala Esperanza.
That's her wife.
Kala Esparza.
Tisha Pennington is Rocky Pennington's wife.
Raquel
Pennington's
Oh, okay.
wife.
That's lit.
Lit?
Lit.
Okay, NFL. Just go.
Lit.
I'm not saying
So you
a word.
think Raquel is like the main person of the house? She's getting the main card fight. This
But
guy
that's
is
how it always
early
works, right?
prelims.
Amanda Nunes got married to, I forget who, but
Exactly.
she took the Nunes last name.
Yeah, I mean, celebrities keep their last name because like brand image.
Yeah. No, but she also got married to a fighter. Nina Ansarov her name was. And now it's Nina Nunes.
Okay.
But it makes sense for the, I guess. Bro.
How does, let them do whatever they want.
No, you brought it up, so now we're deep diving, bro.
So,
as well.
okay, so you're saying the breadwinner takes the name?
As they should.
Yeah, they should. And it depends on what the other person's name is. You can look, I feel like it's a really bad name.
This is not a gender thing at all.
Chapkan wala.
If my wife was, I would love to change my surname. Bro.
Yeah, I'm also down for whatever.
You're down to get married.
Raquel Pennington, Samrit
Samrit
Pennington.
Shah.
You are never going to escape the gay allegations, bro. Tana.
I don't want to.
It's not
They're not
allegations.
Matching shirts also today.
all of us India, except Mix, who likes the casuals more than India. Is he anti-national?
Do you know what day it is?
Do you not love Thala?
No NFL.
No NFL. You want to talk anything about the NFL?
Is there anything that juicy? Like, did Taylor come and dance? on
No,
the
I'm
field?
just
Apparently they've
saying-
broken up.
No,
There's
think-
rumors that they've broken up, so maybe
Go
that's
off, bro, NFL.
No, that's a good thing that you
Yeah.
brought up because finally Travis performed
Yeah, he did.
last game week. Like he didn't perform well, but he
Better than what
he's been doing because he's been laying eggs for the past
Yeah.
2-3 game weeks.
Yeah, he's got put on weight and
He's
shit.
looking like a soy boy. Like if I
Yeah.
poke him, my finger's gonna go in, bro.
What the hell?
Yeah, so there's heavy speculation right now.
Good, they
He
should
didn't show up
break
for the
up.
last game.
And they should break up because he's in my fantasy team, bro. I need him to perform. I picked him like overall, like he was my 4th pick or
So
something.
you are saying they should break up.
I very much want them to break up.
Just see now. Now see.
Now see. Now see.
Why? What happened?
The Swifties are gonna come, bro.
I have
after
said
you.
worse
Second time.
shit, bro, about the
already said it.
Swifties.
Nandita's only while
terrorism.
editing.
Nandita's a Swiftie?
She's a girl, obviously.
Boo generalization.
Boo. What is boo generalization?
Boo generalization. Boo generalization.
Oh, boo generalization.
That's what she said last time
If
to me, bro.
Nandita doesn't like Taylor Swift, I'll put another 200 rupees. That's what I'm
Can
going
we
to
call
bet.
that? Let's call that.
Let's call her.
You have
Let's
to
call
call
her.
that.
But okay, there's a difference between liking Taylor Swift and being a Swiftie. So what is the bet?
She has to be a Swiftie. Okay,
She has to be a Swiftie. Fine.
how much would that? She has to be paying, like willing to pay a certain amount to go for a concert. Like 25K.
Just tell her you're on the air.
Yeah. Hello, Nandita. This is Samrit Jain from the Casual Sport Show. You're live to tape on the show.
Okay.
We have a quick question for you.
Sure.
Are you a Swiftie or no?
Is that even a question? Obviously.
Oh no.
You saved
Let's
Tara
go.
$200.
Let's go.
No. Yeah, you saved Tana.
You'll find out what happens in the edit.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I thought you weren't a Swiftie. I thought you like whatever.
Bro, you don't know her properly.
I don't know you. Yeah, I don't know you.
Cool.
Cool.
Okay, good night. See you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
What did I say?
So how much are we putting in this?
No, he doesn't put anything.
Nothing, no?
He said if she's not a Swiftie, he puts 200.
But if
Oh.
you have to put.
No, I don't have to put. Amazing. But yeah, Chiefs are doing well apart from all the tragedy that's been going on in Travis's life.
And the Vikings are the only two undefeated teams. So
yeah,
far.
but the Chiefs have no one, bro. All their weapons are injured.
Pacheco injured.
Pacheco injured. Rashi Rice
went
got
off last game.
and Mahomes injured him.
Yeah.
Mahomes fell into his knee.
Yeah.
Didn't really injure him, but Mahomes fell into his knee. Like you said, Vikings are doing well with Sam
Yeah.
Darnold. He was supposed to be the thing a few years ago. He's finally popping off.
Now, yeah.
So is
The
that-
Vikings Packers game was insane last weekend.
We were
Watch the highlights if you get a chance of this. If you want to get into NFL and you hear us talking about a game, just like watch highlights. It's a lot of fun.
Or
He's
Sunday,
going to post his subscription DAZN password and
but Sunday nights at 10:30 p.m., 11 p.m., the first slate of Red Zone
10:30.
starts.
Yeah.
Amazing way to get into it.
It's perfect. It just shows you constantly what's happening on the pitch. Ideally, I'd say if you know one person who watches the NFL or understands the rules, it would be good because the rules can be a little bit confusing at first. But once you read them, once you understand them, they're really simple. It's actually the simplest
DM us.
thing to
We'll
understand.
explain the rules
Yeah.
to you. And Red Zone is actually the best.
Yeah, it is so much fun.
Like we keep saying that Champions League should have all like a goal zone kind
Yeah.
of thing or a goal rush. I don't know what to call it, but where all the goals and all the highlights are posted. So
Even like chances, it's not only like touchdowns, it's
Exactly,
even fumbles,
yeah.
interceptions, anything like that.
And
any
that,
big plays or
Yeah,
kind of big
yeah.
plays. So
even
and the guy that runs it, Scott Hansen, he makes it.
shout out, yeah.
Shout out to him.
legend.
Has no life but Red Zone.
Red zone beast, bro.
So I feel like they should
I
totally.
should give them a little context about who's Scott. I don't think they understand.
Oh, Scott, he is the guy who runs head. He's the host of Red Zone.
Which means he's looking at 20 games at once. I
Yeah,
don't know
it's
how many
only
games on
him
that
in
slate.
like a room.
8
It's about
games.
like 8 games. 20 games, 30 teams.
Yeah.
20 games.
Not possible.
I
But
try to gas him up. Bro.
8 games together, and he's like constantly switching from one game to another, talking over it. So if they did something like that for the
Bro,
Champions
what
League,
if we tried to do something ourselves on Champions League like that? But we can't obviously show the thing.
But don't
Yeah.
put all this out, bro. Our secrets can
Cut it.
stay our secrets.
I mean, we could do a live stream and have again 8 TVs.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, watch this. Oh no, did you see what
Yeah.
happened? It would be too
Yeah.
chaotic.
But that's,
The
yeah, that's the
Champions
thing.
League screenings is again a problem here, right?
If
Because
it
of the
wasn't a
timing.
copyright issue, we could do it. I think we could manage it.
The only thing you could do like the last day of the Premier League was the only realistic one because all of them happen at once.
Yeah, but I'm saying we can't show the. Oh, amazing.
Watch
Watch
the
party. It's not happening. Watch party got cancelled.
But I'm saying that it's a
Blue
copyright
tack.
issue. Even if it's Hotstar, it's all on together. We won't be able to show the highlight. Right?
Yeah, we won't be
That's
able
the
to.
problem.
We won't be able to.
We need to get a tie with all these Hotstar, Sony.
copyright.
Yeah, like we said, never badmouth these networks. We love them. We want to
Yeah,
work
they're
with
all
them.
great.
Sattu badmouthed Sony, he's at home.
He's out. You saw a dedication to
The
your cause, right?
consequences, Yeah.
This watch party, Blue Tack Sattu's just going to be watching this episode and be like, Blue Tack finally fell. He's just going to fuck my head, bro.
F1.
$200. 100.
It's going to be tough to keep account of how much money needs to go into the sport.
No, I know
Next will
exactly
count.
how much.
He has maths, no tomorrow. Right?
Anything else?
Mix. Last thoughts.
Mix quick. 32 divided by 7.
So that is just impossible.
4 point something.
Exactly.
You're not ready for your math.
I have a
Ask
calculator.
him mean medium mode.
What should I? What median
I
mode?
don't even know what it means anymore.
What is the Pythagoras theorem? Okay.
A square plus B square.
No. Okay, this is a perfect question to get you ready for your math test. Which is your favorite triangle? Isosceles, equilateral? Those are angles, bro. Those are not triangles. Right angle triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles, equilateral.
Yeah.
From these 4 ones, 4 triangles, which is your best triangle?
Equilateral is the easiest to solve shit from, so yeah.
Cool. I think we've done our bit in preparing you for your exam tomorrow. Hopefully
Yeah, you've done
you
a
pass.
lot, guys.
Hopefully Jiggles makes it through.
Jiggles
And tell your friends to comment again. Huh?
and subscribe.
Last time, what was it? 30, 40? We need 50 this time.
Comment the reason he's called Jiggles. If
Yes.
Yes.
We need to
Div.
know.
Div.
Div,
let us-
Shiv.
Shiv will come through.
Shiv.
Cool.
Mix, you wanna take us out and tell everyone to subscribe to this video?
To this channel.
Everybody
Channel.
like, share, and subscribe to this channel.
Look there and say it again. In
Everybody
Hindi, in Hindi,
like-
in Hindi.
In Hindi.
Hindi. We have to prepare you for your Hindi test now.
No, I've dropped Hindi. I have Spanish. Don't worry.
Say it.
I don't know how to speak Spanish.
Okay,
I
say
have
it
a
in
Spanish
English,
test in 2 days.
but stare in the eyes of the camera.
Everybody like, share, and subscribe to this channel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you
Thank
next
you.
week.
Boy.